Hi everyone. Welcome back to English Fab, where learning English is practical, useful, and fab. In today's world, data is everywhere. Whether you are analyzing trends, reviewing reports, or presenting insights, knowing how to discuss data in English is a valuable skill. In this lesson, we will go through a real-life conversation about data, covering key phrases and useful vocabulary that will help you talk about data accuracy, trends, visualizations, and final reports with confidence. If you can't understand English, don't worry. You can translate subtitles in both English and your language, like this. Please check the extra details in the description below. Let's get started and learn how to talk about data in English. Hey James, I was looking over the latest data report. Have you had a chance to review it?
Yes, I went through it this morning. There are some interesting trends, but I noticed a few numbers that seem off.
I thought so too. Some of the figures in the sales data do not match last month's report. Should we double-check the source?
That would be a good idea. I can cross-check it with the raw data and see if there was a calculation error.
Great. Also, did you notice the increase in customer engagement? The numbers show a 10% growth.
Yes, that is a positive trend. It looks like our new marketing strategy is working. We should highlight that in the summary.
Agreed. We also need to make sure all visualizations are clear. Some of the charts look a bit confusing.
I can adjust the formatting and add a few more details to make them easier to understand.
Perfect. Once we finalize the report, should we send it directly to the manager, or do you think we need a quick review meeting?
A review meeting would be helpful. That way, we can clarify any questions before submission.
Sounds good. Let's check the data one more time and meet later this afternoon.
Agreed. I will run the final check and update you before the meeting.
And that wraps up today's lesson on talking about data. Let's quickly review what we covered and highlight some key phrases to help you discuss data clearly and professionally in English. What we talked about: how to review and verify data accuracy, discussing trends and identifying patterns in reports, finalizing reports with clear visualizations and summaries. Key phrases: have you had a chance to review the latest data report? Some of the figures do not match last month's report. Should we double-check the source? There are some interesting trends in the data. The numbers show a 10% growth. We need to make sure all visualizations are clear. A review meeting would be helpful before submission. Talking about data is essential in business and everyday decision-making. Whether you are analyzing trends, reviewing reports, or preparing for a presentation, using the right phrases will help you communicate effectively and confidently. Okay, thanks for watching today's lesson on English Fab. I hope you found these English tips useful and feel more confident. Remember, practice makes perfect, so try using these phrases in your daily conversations. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more Fab English lessons. Until next time, keep practicing and stay fab.